morning, day traders. This is Mike with Ripper Day Trading, and we are day trading live this morning. Looking at a few, we got a bunch of gap downs today, more than I can look at one time. So I picked some of the ones I like the most, and then I've got one. I'm a little bit scared on this. I need a breakthrough now, or I could get really whipsawed. Get through 16 and die hard. No bounce at 16. Oh, it bounced at 16. Oh well. That I'm short right now. Hoping we're going to get the break real quick here. If we get down to 1601, I will put in a quick stop to see if so it doesn't whipsaw back on me. I'm not liking this action at the moment. Let's get down there to 16. Come on now. There we go. No. We're fighting. We need to get lower here though. I should not really be in. Hoping for the breakdown here. Get through 16 right now would be beautiful. Kind of stalling out a little bit. We need some big time selling to get through here. There's some threes. Twos. 1602s. 1601. Still stacked up. Halfway tempted. Alright, we're at 1601. I'm putting in my stop in case it whipsaws back, but ready to cancel if it gets through. Got a bunch of sellers at 1602, so this is looking good at the moment. Oh my god, there's a ton at 16. If we get through this thing, it's gonna just puke. I don't know if I can get through this thing with as many as stacked. I don't know, there's more stacking at 16. It's looking like the bulls are winning at the moment. We could see a big death candle here if they can push through 16. There we go. Get to 100. I'm taking half of it there. I'm not going to sit there unless this thing come back too much against me. I'll go ahead and take profits if I have to. There we go. For the day, and hopefully, let's see, I get to trade tomorrow. So, we'll see all of you bright and early tomorrow morning. And if you continue to trade, good luck. Have a great day.